Hello, it's Adam here, and I absolutely love growing my own food at home. It brings so much pleasure. And today I'm going to look at how we can grow potatoes and pea shoots, which is relatively simple. And first, I'm going to plant the potatoes. So the first step is placing a layer of multi-purpose peat-free compost in the bottom of your bucket. Aim for about 10 centimeters so there's enough room for the tubers to create roots. Now I'm going to plant 2 seed potatoes on the edges like this, and then going to cover them with another layer of compost, quite simply like this, up to about halfway up the bucket. And then I'm going to plant another 2 potatoes to the opposite direction. Try not to plant them above each other like that so that they've got enough space to grow. Think about it like you're creating a cross. And then I'm going to cover it again right to the top of the bucket with some compost. And the beauty of this system is you don't have to do much more, just water them, and within 10 to 12 weeks, these first early potatoes will be ready to eat. Now, another thing we can do fantastically well at home, if we haven't got much space, is grow our own salads on the kitchen window. And I've got some pea shoots that have already germinated here. So today, we're going to plant some pea shoots in this punnet here. I'm a big fan of recycling containers like this in the garden. Now, first, I'm going to put a layer of compost in like this. Give it a little tap, just so that the compost falls into place. Try not to compress it down. You want it nice and airy. And then I'm going to use these dry pieces, broadcast them across the surface like this. Don't be fussy about where they fall. They'll grow nice and dense for you to be harvesting them. And then I'm going to cover them with another layer of compost, just like this, look. Wonderful layer. And within about 3 weeks, these will start germinating, and then you'll be able to harvest them. And you can follow this process with lettuce, spinach, all kinds of salad leaves that you enjoy at home. So remember, growing our own food at home needn't be difficult. It's far simpler than people often believe. It can also be better for the environment, our own health, and save a few pennies in the pocket. And I would argue it tastes much better as well. So give it a go.